G'day viewers, I'm Dodger Mohr. Tana Mohr, say hi.
Hi.
And welcome to our channel. So today we're in the car and we're heading off to Canberra. Now we don't have to be in Canberra until Wednesday. Today is actually Monday. We have to go to the Thai embassy to renew Tintana's passport for future plans for Thailand. So yeah, we're going to be taking our time and probably stop along the way. We got our camping gear all in the car. Yep. And yeah, we'll just see if we find a nice camping spot. We'll stop. Okay, enjoy the trip with us. We've had a fair bit of rain, fair bit of traffic, and the roads are really greasy. I think we haven't had rain for such a long time that the roads are, yeah, they're slippery as. Okay, check out all the traffic coming back now from the long weekend. Absolutely crazy. Luckily we're heading in a different direction. Check out the traffic. This is all traffic coming back from Doon from a long weekend over Easter. It is banked up and it just continues. We've just left Yark and we're probably 5 k's out of Yark and it hasn't stopped. Well viewers, we're just having a quick pit stop. We're at Doon, just waiting for Tin to come out of the car, and we're going to go and walk along the old railway bridge. I've driven past it that many times and I've never ever been on it with a mountain bike nor walked across it. Today we're going to walk across it and check it out. It's not cold, is it? It's quite mild. The wind's really strong.
How deep?
Oh, very deep. I'll show you a picture of it where there's no water. There. Okay, we've made it all the way across Eildon Dam, across the bridge. Now we have to go back to the car. Yeah, that was quite an enjoyable walk. Good way to stretch the legs. And yeah, let's keep going. What's it called? Phillips Bridge. That's the name of the bridge. Worth the walk. It's good because, like, you know, sitting in the car for so long, good place to stretch the legs. If you're on a motorbike and you're passing through this region, you know, the amount of times that I've gone over the bridge and never ever stopped here and thought, you know what, this is a good way to stretch the legs when you're sitting on the bike for so long. But yeah, it's well worth it. Been over this bridge so many times, never ever walked on that. It's good, isn't it? It's a good walk, nice walk. Okay, we just left Doon and we are now in the direction of Mansfield, and then from Mansfield we're going to head over to Whitfield and most likely camp around Whitfield or get some accommodation. But yeah, the drive's been reasonably good. There's heaps of traffic coming the opposite way, but the direction that we're heading, it's yeah, been great. Okay, we're just passing through Mansfield, and yeah, we're going straight towards Whitfield, and yeah, pretty busy looking town. Whether it's summer or winter, it's always got people. Nice little windy section up towards the mountain from Mansfield, heading up out towards Whitfield. It's quite a nice windy road. Be nice on the motorbike. It's not too bad in this little Kia Rio GT. Okay, we're about halfway to Whitfield, taking it a little bit easier at the moment. It's around about 3:30 in the afternoon. Come across a couple of kangaroos. In actual fact, I missed one by about a metre or two, I reckon. Luckily, I dropped my speed down to about 60 k's per hour, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to pull up in time. They just come out of the bush. The bush is pretty close to the roads here, but yeah, just got to be mindful that they can come out at any time, day or night. Yeah, but we're looking for a turn off at the moment towards Powers Lookout, and we're going to go and check that out. Okay, we're on this little dirt road, hopefully it doesn't get too rough, out to Powers Lookout. It looks like it's just recently been graded, so it's not too bad. Okay, we're at Powers Lookout. We're going to go and check this out. The car is now officially dirty. Let's have a look at it. Yeah. Okay, so now we're heading down to the proper lookout. That was just the easy lookout. So you can basically come with the car, park on the side, and it's probably about a 20-minute walk to that last lookout. This one's probably about 500 metres, and it involves a little bit of climbing, so it's going to be a bit of fun. Jen will love it, won't you? Yeah.
I love to come with my motorbike.
I know you'd like to come with your motorbike better, but how are we going to carry all your documents and all that and keep them dry? Yeah, I know. When we get back, we're going to do a motorbike ride for maybe a couple of days, and we'll do a video. Okay, we'll see you out there at the other lookout. You okay? We're going to climb up to there, and we should be up near the lookout. And Jen's running, she's jogging. Okay, we've just returned back from Power's Lookout. It was actually a bit of a challenging walk, but the good thing is it's only about 500 metres. I think the biggest factor is it's quite humid outside, and it's 28 degrees humid. We've got the aircon in the car on, trying to cool off a little bit, probably red-faced, both of us. Okay, we're going to go now and try and find somewhere to stay. Most likely we'll be looking for a cabin or a hotel for the night, because there's a fair bit of rain coming. We'll head down to Wheatfield now, and then from Wheatfield we'll head out towards the Hume Highway, I suppose, and if we see anything along the way we'll check it out. Okay, see you back out on the road. Section, heading down to Whitfield now. Some spectacular views off to the left hand side. Once we get around this corner, hopefully Jen will capture some of the views with the camera. What a great drive. Okay, we're just been to the caravan park in Whitfield. No cabins available, and the camping ground looks quite full. It is school holidays, that's to be expected. So we're going to keep heading in the direction of Wangaratta, and we'll see what happens there. Maybe we'll come across something along the way. Okay, travelling in the King Valley. It's quite a flat area, mountains all around. It's actually quite nice. Been past a few wineries, quite a lot of dairy cows around as well. Yeah, very nice. Okay, we're halfway to Wangaratta. We just stopped off at this Mohr hotel, I think it's how you pronounce it, and we're going to see if they've got rooms for the night. Well, what can I say, we're not having much luck today. not open Monday and Tuesday. They're closed on Monday and Tuesday, so we'll just keep moving on and hopefully we get something down the line, I suppose. It's hard to say, but anyway, yeah, probably should have booked something, but it's the way it is. Okay, back to the car. Okay, we're nearly there, nearly in Wangaratta. Looks like we're going to be staying in Wangaratta in a motel. Oh well, I was hoping to pick up one of these little country towns and being able to stay, but that's the way it goes. Okay, we're in Wangaratta, and we've decided to get a motel for the night. And yeah, it looks like some really dark clouds coming in, so yeah, we're staying in this motel here. Let's check it out. Tin's already gone in there. Good. It's nice and clean. Smells good.
Smell nice.
Smell nice, yeah. What's the bathroom and shower like? You check that out?
Bad, isn't it?
No. So yeah, bathroom, nice and clean. Toilet. It's got everything that we need. It's only just for one night, and then we move on. Okay. So the plan is now settle in and go and get something to eat. We're both very hungry. Okay, until tomorrow.